Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is the thermocouple measurements. Okay, that is a simple method for temperature measurements. It is one of the main measurement in our metrology areas. That is studied in fifth unit. Okay, so the fifth unit is having three types of measurements: force measurements, torque measurement, and also temperature measurements. So in this temperature measurements, a lot of measuring instruments here, but mainly the thermocouple is very important. So this is a J type thermocouple, and also is having another type also, K type thermocouple. So it is the important conducted medium, thermal conducted medium. Okay, so this is the important thermal conducted medium. This is the mainly used for the, you have dipped in the water or in another area, means easily you can identify the temperature values, and also this is the indicator value. This is the indication value. The indicator value is mainly used for to measure the temperatures. Finally, you have to compare the indicator value and also thermometers. Now already we saw the thermometers in last videos. Thermometer is a simple measurement for the to measure the temperature. That is, you have heat the water, means the temperature value will be 30, 40. Water boiling temperature is the 100 degrees Celsius. So the 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Celsius. So there is lot of temperature differences. So simply your thermometer is deeply insert on the line areas, is water heated areas. So the temperature will be raised 40 degrees Celsius, 45, 50, 55, 60. So the lot of degree Celsius. Okay, so you have to compare the nearby, you have dipped the thermocouple also. So the thermocouple means is having heated. So easily that the thermocouple is directly connected with the thermometer setups. Okay, so this is a thermometer setup, and also the back portion will be fully sensors. So easily you can the indicators. So indicator is mainly indicate the temperature values like 30 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. So there are lot of temperature values. So finally you can compare the thermometer value and also thermocouple values. Easily you can compare and then plot the graph. In our metrology lab, means you have plot the graph. In x-axis will be thermometer value, and also the y-axis will be thermocouple value. So finally you have straight line, means you exactly the temperature will be matched, but straight line will not come. Slightly your curve line will be come. So this is a simple method for to measure the temperature of the product or any product, any liquid material. You heat the liquids, easily you can calculate the temperature. So this is a plug point, and also the plug point is directly connected with this power supply, means the indicator will be easily on. So easily you can measure the temperature values in lot of measurements areas. The thermocouple point is very important in our metrology core areas, because this is mainly used for heat transfers also. Heat transfer means already three categories. One is the conduction, convection, radiations. Radiation means is the radiations powers. Convection means you have transferred the heat from different categories. That is a product means solid, liquid, gas. So you have convert from heat solid to liquid, or liquid to gas, or gas to liquid, or liquid to solid, means that is a convection. So that is a different phases. So in the same phases means that is a conduction. For example, the heat will be transferred from water to oil, or oil to water. So the oil water will be liquid, same phases. So and also I have select the gear also, and also I can select this is a job. So heat will be transferred from this area to this area, means this is also solid, this is also solid. So the both is the solids. So same phases. So you have heat transfer the heat from same phases, means also that is the conductions. So the conduction, convection, radiations, the three categories is major role in our heat transfers. Both the heat is measured by the thermometers. The thermometer setup, this is a high indicator, and also is highly indicated values, and also its cost also high, because is the minute parts, but accurate parts. Accurate, already I told the accuracy. Accuracy means is the closeness to output. Precision means is the repeated value. I have to measure the lot of times temperature, means the same will be value indicated. That is for example 45 degrees Celsius means I have measured 10 times, means the 10 times the 44 or 45, 46. So that is a closed accuracy. 45, 45, 40 means that is a precision. So that is a repeated values. So I have to two characterization is very important. So precision also very important, accuracy also very important. So this is a simple method for to measuring the heat of the object.